youth of our state.
Hashwa ka election sa Lok Sabha ka Congress ka lather ting ka sarkar BJP ka sarkar pedeng da ka bakino ya ka kum ka sarkar ka babam saptam pat ka balik siliang ha ka ban pentulun yaki jingleh bom hok ka wei hadian ka wei shikinong shokshong ka India haba ajeng kren ka jinge kendu pat ka lai pathai khubor Congress Bhavan Shillong unong agitien bat National Media Coordinator ka Congress na ka banta ka than chite la mingi Matthew Anthony Ulaong ba ki jingleh bom hok ki bah khmat jong ka BJP ki pat nong shong gari ki kintup ha kaliang kayo ka kot ka imlang sa alang bat ka kamsan purthei na lor ka jing ka ru kam ha ka wei kaliang kinong yalam ka AICC ru klei kren shahai pa kim kwa banya sam ne le ka seat sharing kum shi benta jong ka jing so thu jing mut ha po ka shatri jong ka India President ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee iba Vincent H Pala Idon hapadeng ka jing krembat ka All India Congress Committee ban penyang kertong na Shillong Batura.
Because in the coming elections, Meghalaya has got 2 seats. We want to bring this injustice to the people of Meghalaya. We want them to think, we request them to think with an open mind. Never fall for this jingoism. Never fall for these lies, the blatant lies. Think like an ordinary person. What if this happens in your family? What if this happens with your parents and your children? Won't you think and make a logical decision? And Congress as a party has always fought for the people. We might have made mistakes while we are governing because it's natural to have mistakes, but we never ran away from it. We tried to correct our mistakes and we tried to govern this country with people in our mind. We are absolutely confident that it is the people who are going to elect us again, and that's what exactly we want to say.
Ka Regional Democratic Alliance